there is a snow blizzard. It is 3:45 a.m. Not p.m. obviously, because the sun is down unless we lived in Alaska, but I think the sun's always shining in Alaska. But I've been talked into, since I'm right near my dorm, which is right over there, I've decided I'm going to do a snow angel since I'm going to change into warm clothes right after. Don't know if this is stupidity or sheer brilliance, but hey, you only live once and you only go to school once, so I'm going to attempt to try this. Okay, now I'm going to get up and see how it looks.
It's a pretty good looking snow angel.
It's a pretty good looking snow angel. I think I'm gonna make a ball and throw it at that like posted sign right over there. Since the security guard is now watching, or the cleaner. Okay, ready? Ready to watch this at home, kids? Ah! I'm getting a sign from Alex to do it one more time, so you can get a better shot. So I'm making a snowball. And so you'd think it'd be easy to make them like all nice and round like you see in the movies, but apparently it's really not. They don't look as pretty, and it's really hard to throw it and check it. See, I missed. That was not good. Okay. Well, love you guys. Bye.